Hi everyone, Sarah Wiles back again today for Color Rush Studio, and I am creating the 8.5 by 11 layout, and I am using the sketch from this month. You can find it over on the Facebook page. There'll be a link below as well. And so that is what I am working on here. I did rotate it instead. I have it going up and down instead of from side to side, if that makes sense, or the opposite. Anyways, I rotated the layout. And so I'm going to go ahead and cut 6 strips. I'm going to use, I think, 3 of the rose ones, and then 2 of these. And I'm going to rough up the edges like I always do. And then I'm going to line them up here on my layout. Sorry about the stuffy nose. My allergies are still kicking my booty. And so I'm having to deal with that still. But I'm going to go ahead and add these down onto my layout. I'm going to try to make sure to space them out and make sure I shook off all the extra little pieces that, come from roughing up the edges like I do. I try to do most of that over the trash can, but I don't always succeed. I am loving these papers though. They're so pretty and the florals are gorgeous. I'm going to rough up the edges a bit more with my fingernails and kind of bend some more of them up. Because I tend to flatten some of them out when I adhere them down to the layout. But that is about what I'm going for. And now I'm also going to back my photos, both photo strips here with this piece of paper. These are going in my mom's album. And it's from where my daughter went from having long hair to her very happy little miss with short hair. I think she was extremely bold for doing it, and I think it's pretty awesome. And she's kind of kept it that way ever since. But I loved these pictures because she was more tentative at the beginning, and then in the end, she was just so happy. So I went ahead and backed those. And I was looking for what piece I wanted to use, and I kind of wanted to stick with the gold because it's warmer tones, but I liked this Shine Bright because she did just... The change in her afterwards was just crazy. She seemed so much more confident, and it was just, and she's gorgeous. I love the way it looks on her. And so, I'm using the Shine Bright down there at the bottom from the acrylic kit this month. And then I am busting into the ephemera pack. I do have some fussy cut ones, but I am using the ones from the ephemera pack right now. And then I also used one of those canvas flares. And I added some stuff behind it. And so right now I'm just trying to figure out what I'm going to add to it. I love these cute little wood flowers. They're just adorable. And so I'm going to add a couple of them here and there. I'm figuring out exactly where I want stuff. And now I'm going to actually start sticking things down. I'm going to rough up the edges just so that they pop up a little bit and there's a little more dimension. And so I just kind of keep doing this. I'm going to peel the back off because there is, a layer on the back, a protective layer on the back of the acrylic bits. And I'm going to go ahead and peel those off, as I put them down. I don't usually do it until I actually put them down. That way that there's no extra scratches or anything like on the acrylic pieces. So I'm going to go ahead and actually stick this, section of pictures down, and then I will grab the other one and do it here in a second after I stick my wood piece down there. Wood veneer, that's what it is. It's a wood veneer. I knocked things over and knocked them out of place. Not a big deal. I'll put it back or at least get it close to it. So that's what I'm doing now, and I'm adding the pieces back. I'm going to peel the back off of this, and then I'm going to go ahead and just use my glue and stick it down. This layout really didn't take that long. Actually, most of my layout, I broke my acrylic piece, just an FYI, and so I had to stick the T back. But it's okay because I stuck it right back where it belongs. Most of my layouts for so far with this kit, I really haven't, it hasn't taken too long. They actually came together really quick, just like this one. So that finishes it out for me. I really hope that you enjoy this. Make sure to check out what everybody else creates. Join the Facebook group and share away as you create with your kits as well. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day. Bye.